To matters politics, and leaders affiliated with the United Democratic Alliance from the Ruaraka area in Nairobi are calling on President William Ruto to convene a meeting and appoint a Nairobi County Party chairperson. They argue that the absence of a county chair has weakened the party's grassroots mobilization and created a leadership gap in the capital.
That lack of completion of election is inhibiting a lot of work of the party. This is because the delegates that were elected at the polling center and at the ward level, they have been waiting for empowerment, to be empowered further, so that they are able to articulate the manifesto of the party. This has not taken place, and this is because we attribute it to the lack of completion of election in Nairobi. We are asking that His Excellency use his power and appoint a chairman for Nairobi so that the party can start working in Nairobi.
Now, Kitui County Commissioner Erasto